Deja D here, and if you want to see how I make this cool summertime blue makeup look, stay tuned to this video. Also, if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Like, subscribe. Oh, subscribe. Why are my shorts so high? Okay, but if you're not subscribed to this channel, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this channel. Tell your teachers, tell your aunties, tell your neighbor, tell thy father, tell thy neighbor, tell thy lover, tell thy sister, tell thy cousin, all of that in the comment section. Be sure to let me know some video suggestions. And without further ado, we're just gonna get right into this video. Hey, in this video, be sure to subscribe. Get us good thumbs up. So, I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, but that's cool. We are going to get into everything shortly. I'm going to start off with doing some yellow. I'm just going to build this yellow up in the crease area. I'm not going to like drag it all the way out. I'm just going to focus mostly on my regular eye part. So just take some yellow shadow from wherever and just basically smoke that out. Well, not smoke that out, but like blend that in above your crease. Take a smaller, more defined brush and begin to add the blue in on the lid, and I'm going to pack that on and then I'm gonna blend it in. So yeah, let's just get to it. Guys, it's summertime, out of school. That means more licks is coming soon, more videos. I'm so excited about that. So I'm gonna, once I pack that color on and get it to the pigmentation, I'm just going to like start to blend that out slightly with the yellow, because I don't really want too much yellow. I want it mostly like blue. So I'm just going to blend out the yellow a little bit and, you know, tone it down. And then I'm actually going to bring the blue down on my underneath my eye as well. And I'm going to actually be getting some more makeup products very soon, because I've been rocking with this stuff for like a good minute now, and it's time for me to up my game up, you know, because yeah, drugstore can get you but so far, but your girl is trying to be like really popping. And I feel like I'm done with the whole practicing stage. I mean, you can never stop practicing, but I feel like I'm out of that beginner like stage now, and I'm at the point to where it's like new and bigger and brighter and bolder things are coming from me, and some of the products I got just ain't really working for that. So now that we're looking a little more crazy, I'm feeling like Cardi B in the I like that video. But now I'm going to just take some green and just blend out the edges of the blue and yellow. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this like blending brushes really good. So I'm just going to start to blend out this area right here with the blue and the yellow, and that's just gonna make it transition a lot better. Also, in the comment section, leave me some video suggestions on like makeup tips, colors, what kind of like makeup products that I should get, because I said I would start buying some new ones. So yeah, just let a girl know something. Hey, let a girl know something. Hey. I've done my face on camera a gazillion millions of times, so I'm actually not going to do like all of those steps on camera today. I think I'm going to use my NYX foundation, so I'm gonna just tell you all that, and I'm not going to use my Maybelline. I might use my Maybelline. No, I'm gonna just use my NYX one. It's matte. So I thought that I was running out of my foundation, so I went to like try to pour some on my hand, and then all of this wants to come out now. Like, where were you at a few minutes ago when I was tipping this sucker over trying to get it to come out of the dropper? Like, come on now. So if you all have not seen my last video, I'll try to link that up above. If not, just go look for it. It's literally the last video I posted. I had my foundation, and after I did my foundation, I took my beauty sponge and I like patted it down. I feel like with this foundation, I don't really have to pat it down, because if you saw in the video, I patted my foundation down before I put the concealer on, because I just felt like because it was such a dewy foundation, I needed to not necessarily mattify it, but just make sure that it wasn't going to be too shiny, because I already have oily skin as it is. So the last thing I need is this like foundation already to be oily before I apply it. I didn't go all the way up under my eyes. I should have waited to put the blue under my eyes, but it was cool because, I mean, whatever. It is what it is. I probably will end up having to redo the blue a little bit anyways. So to get back up in the fit, oh wait, let me put my blush on. See, girl, you're forgetting stuff. Where you going? Done. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you all next week. Oh, I should have put tape on my eyes. Should I still do that? No, because it's gonna leave a tint in my makeup. And we don't really want a tint in my makeup. So I tried to line the tape up as even as possible, because sometimes I'd be like, just girl, you just got out of school, you already, come on. Okay, so I'm gonna take this really small, it's not like the smallest brush ever, but it's like a really teeny brush, and this freaking concealer that I freaking hate. I know, right? It's just because this concealer is like very white. So, and I'm going to make a wing of concealer. So many times people be like, oh, your wings are twins, they're sisters. Well, my wings are more like enemies, they're more like neighbors, they're more like best friends. They're more like best friends. So this wing, you know, looks a lot better than this one, but to each his own. We're not going to count this one out. So now I'm just going to I need to let this sit for, no, this one's sad enough. I'm ready to just keep this going. Let's just go. So I'm actually going to take the, how do I want to do this? I'm going to use a smaller, more defined device. Okay, so I'm going to take a more defined, smaller brush, and I'm going to apply that same yellow that I used in the transition color to the beginning part of the wing, just literally like the first half. I'm going to split this into 3 halves. So the first half is going to be yellow, and I'm just going to pat that on the concealer, and to, you know, try my best not to get it with the blue, but if it does go in with the blue, it won't be the end of the day, because we're gonna fix that up later. I'm going to take the green and apply that on there as well with a different brush, just so these colors won't blend as much. I'm actually gonna take this brush. I know it's a little big, but I already had green on it, so just gonna keep working with this one. And this brush is a really good blending brush, so I'm trying to blend in the edge of the yellow with the green. Can you see that? I'm trying to blend it in like I'm gonna make like a gradient effect. So I'm gonna take this green, I'm going to take a different blue, the same blue, different brush, and just pack that blue at the end of the wing. And I'm also going to take that blue again and just go under my eyes with it. Line my under eye with my cottage cheese NYX jumbo pencil. I always gotta wipe that off a little bit before I go. I'm just gonna line my under eyes with this. I mean, not my under eye, my like tear, whatever you want to call this thing, whatever you want to call that. I'm gonna line that, my waterline, with this, and I'm actually going to like put this on time lapse real quick. Oh, so okay, let me tell you all. Let me just okay. So I'm going to go to this eye, finish up the wing. I already took the blue, and I'm just going to add some white to my waterline. I'm going to go onto time lapse so you can see it, but that's what I'm about to do. So now I'm going to just try to see if there's any fallout. No fallout. Okay, good. So now on to the fun part. Well, fun, not so fun, can make or break your look part. So now you're just going to need some black liner. I'm going to shake this up, and what we're going to do is something I've never done before. We're going to just carve out our wing but not draw on it. So we're going to outline it. So I'm going to go over the top and at the bottom. I'm first going to start at the bottom of the wing, and we're not going to cat eye. We're literally just going to trace. So I'm going to actually cut the camera off for this, and I'm going to just show you all when I'm done. I'm just going to trace the top part of the wing. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other. As you see, the wing is a very important step in this look. I just traced it. I actually want to make that look a little sharper, because this one looks sharp, but this one looks a little more rounder. So now it is highlight time. Going back in with my AO2 whatever, and I'm going to go in with the golden shade. I love this gold shade, especially for summer, because it's just like that. Like, hold on, like it's just that nice glowy look. It's so pretty. Okay, that's it. Thanks for coming. Okay, thanks for tuning in. This is what we came here for. And I'm just gonna go in with some clear gloss, and we're gonna finish it out with some clear gloss. We done. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe. No, serious though. Be sure to subscribe. So I hope you all enjoyed that fun, entertaining, knowledgeable, creative, fun, creative, cool. Wait, I'm just saying stuff, and I'm a little ashy. Ooh, don't kill me. But be sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you all in the next one.